Just a quick unboxing video and quick tutorial on our Hydra 1200. Nice soft padded carry case. Inside you'll find charging cradle. It's a lanyard, spare O-rings, a couple decals, and instructions. This is the light itself. Comes with the YS mount so you can easily attach it to your camera rig. Single button to turn on and off and switch your modes. You've got your spot beam, your flood, and then red. Operate it. You just take off the head, grab the battery, which is in this little compartment inside the bag. The negative end goes to the bottom of the tail piece. Positive end goes towards the head. If you look on the battery here, you will see that to charge it, you can also just plug an 18650 battery or a micro USB charger directly into the 18650 battery. There's an indicator on the top that goes red when charging and green when charged. You'll see also there's a double O-ring seal here. All right, so to turn on, you just press and hold. There's your 1200 lumen flood. You see red means here that our battery's low. Starts at blue, green, red, and then blinking red. You can adjust the intensity just by single pressing the button. If you press and hold, it'll switch modes. So now you're in your spot beam, which makes for a great dive light. Press again and you've got your red. And you can adjust intensity in each mode. And just press and hold to turn off. You'll see here too on the front, there's this small hole right here. That's a flash sensor. So you can have it either auto flash off, so when your camera does flash, this light will automatically turn off. That's an option. You can either use it or not. One other thing with the charger also, so you can use this cradle or just plug the micro USB cable directly into the battery. The neat thing with this cradle is if you look here, there's actually a 5-volt output. So this is a USB out. If you plug your cell phone cable into there and have the battery in here, it'll actually charge your cell phone. This will act as an external battery if you're having an emergency and need a little extra charge.